The goal of this project is for you to work at the right resolution, in the right color space. Look at window, scroll down. Innovation Nation, I'm working in RGB. You're not working in CMYK. Make sure that you're working in the right color space. So when you open up a new document, Command N. If you have to change this, if this shows up print to start with, change it to web and then put your dimensions in. We've already talked about this. Open up advanced and make sure you're at RGB 72 pixels per inch, right? You're working in pixels. The size of your desktop is written on the board and it's written in the Quest. Okay, so you've got that. I am working at the appropriate size, which we're going to see in just a minute. So if I save for the web, file save for web, Shift, Option, Command, S. Got it? And I use this all the time, so I love the shortcut. Look, the width and height are set because I opened this document and made it the right size for my computer. Your computer is not 2880 by 1800. Okay, I hope we have that down. And look, JPEG. Whoops, let's just change this to high. And 60% is good. Do not, look, if you have this color table here, this is a GIF. Don't save it as a GIF. We want to save these as JPEG high. Okay, you got it? Then when we save it, let's navigate out to our pictures folder, and then inside I have quite a lot of pictures in here. We got a DPix folder. Why not make, and then you can always switch this, and you can see I've already got my Innovation Nation JPEG here. But this way all your desktop pictures are going to be saved in the same spot. Does that make sense? Does it? Sure should, right? So you save it, and then I already have it saved, right? So I'm not going to do that. I hit escape to get out of that. And then we can get back to the Finder. Want to see a shortcut? Watch. I'm going to switch to the Finder, and then I'm going to hit Option Command H, which hides everything else. And I just have the Finder. Hey, cool. I wonder how this was made. I bet we learn. And then just right click on the desktop. Say change desktop background. And then you probably will have to click on this plus sign in order to find another folder. And from now on, your imagery that you save and establish as your new desktop picture, it's all going to be kept in this folder. So stay organized, work smart, have your file saved correctly, and then there's another little trick that I want you to do is I want you to submit your JPEG, proving to me that you actually did work at the right resolution. Does that make sense? Okay. Thanks. Have some fun with this project, and don't just settle for the first thing you do. Work on it. Iterate. Maybe even start over. Get something you're proud of. This is not just a project to burn through. And if you come to me and say you're done and you want to move on, well, we're going to talk about your picture. Could it be improved? I want you to start taking pride in your work. All right. Have fun and make something great.